Kakenhon pulit bakerpang ke jela Meghalaya kili yo ban kem sangut ki breu na ke jela Haryana ha ke baye debat ke jengsha lute ki ATM na mau kriya na melem bat Smith Kiba la ja house nam arjar opsan bat arhajar arpundreu ha baye debat ke ne ke jengja la thawya kakenhon toket ke bakerpang ha ke arpunyo truk rempang arhajar arpundreu ban toket ya ki ne ki jengja ha pok ke jengyalam jong udipati supritenden simsang sangma MPS kibala lecha ke jela Haryana ban lekem ya kibala syak no dan ketiha ke belute ya ki ATM na East Coast Hills. Ha ka khandai trek lober arjar pundre ki pulit ke jela Meghalaya da ke jengetre lang bat ke kenhon toket Central Investigation Agency CIA jong kano district ban kem ya ki nong to ATM bat ha ke ne ke jeng twet la yo ban kem arngot usalim ar pundre usnam urahul lai poi snam ya ki ne la yo kem na sorno bat na pingwan ha ka shpo trek lober arjar ar pundre ya ki ne ki arngot ki bala yo kem na aibor bakin bat ha kti ki pulit san singi ban toket nong yarap ki bala tip kertang kum ujon official lengkoi lai pu arsnam bat ujoyas dura sapunyo snam le yokem na shilong bat yakine ke yang bishar kal aibor hendri sngi ban bat ha kti ki pulit ban toket ha koi pat ka kenhon ha pak jingram jong dipati superintendent ki pulit bedai pet ya ki kam sneu ubipul das MPS ke le yo ban kem ya u Rejal Korim lai prasnam na chakla bangai gaun bat ulus ali ar prasnam na boragau na kini ki bre ki pulit ke le yo ban krop ya ki kot kisla bat ke jing toket kadang ya chkmat ban twet ya ki bedang like pet ulapan kan mau baya ke ATM ha mau kre la luti ha ka arpoi tre upra besan arja rapsan ha ka bakele yo ban ra ya ka pisa ar pralak khatlai hajar chispa tengka ha ka lai phau tre upna bakhat ar arja rapsan ke ATM ka badan hasmet kala shaluti bat ke le yo ban ra ya ka pisa lai pusan laksan penyo hajar tengka bat ha ka pratre upna ba ar arjar apundreu ke ATM ka badan hamlem kala satu hado live san lak tengka ya kini ki makaduma la register hamangap bat madan reteng police station.
ATM theft were registered in East Coast district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Meghalaya was robbed, and cash 28 lakhs 13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted and cash about 35 lakhs 57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Millen and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we've seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we have registered 3 cases in Mongap, Manhattan, and 2 cases in Mongap and 1 in Manhattan. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by DSP Operations Simseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of New District, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Sri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazipur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Mount Molai Namkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Joyce Dura, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, Yes, on the 12th, we another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Adhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragaon, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on. I mean, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Coast Police is endeavouring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you. Actually, they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts, and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted. So far, we have got 6 people. There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that, and that special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved. And it took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, SP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas. And actually, when they piece the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there zero down on the culprits. So there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, New district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to New district, to New city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigations are on in Haryana.